So, welcome back. Today we shall continue from where we stopped last time. Last time we stopped where we were talking about how to create a list, and I showed you the two different ways you can create a list. Today we shall be looking at as how to access the items in a list. So, for me to do that or to show you that, let me first create an example list. So just like I did last time, I put the items in a block bracket. So I'll just do that again now, separating them with comma. So these are my items. Sorry, I mistakenly punched the enter key. So this is my list. So if I want to access the elements in this list, to access them, what I have to know is the way Python treats these elements. It usually stores positions or the index of these elements. For instance, this first item here is at the position 0 or index of 0. The next one to it, we have the index of 1, then this one 4. That is the way Python notes their positions. So if I want to access the third element in the list, what I can do is say example, then in a block bracket I put the position or the index of the element I want to extract. In this case, we want to extract the third element, which is of the index 2, that is 0, 1, 2. Okay, so I'll put 2 inside here, and I have my 4. This is the first element or the first item, the second item, the third item. But in the indexing, we have index 0, index 1, and index 2. And in accessing your items or getting items in the list, you use the index. So let me access the first one, that is index 0. And what I have is list of friends, which is actually the first item in the list. So this is how you access the items in a list. Next time, I will show you some of the operations that can be done on a list.